In today's video, I'm going to be just cleaning out my air sensor, which sits over here. This is the air control sensor. It sits on top of the engine, and I just thought, let me have a look at it and let me see what I can do to clean it out. And if it does need any cleaning, I'm going to be using the carb cleaner over here. This is just liquid moly, but you can use any good carb cleaner. Okay, so what you want to do is actually just put a little cloth underneath here, just to make sure that these two screws do not fall off once you turn them loose. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you've got your cloth with you, and make sure that you've got the correct Torx key with you to actually loosen up these two nuts over here. So first things first, we need to loosen this plug, and what you just do is pull this back and push back, and it comes out. Very easy, very simple. Next thing will be put your cloth underneath. That's just to catch these two screws, because sometimes, you know, your hands actually shake. For those of us who have very bad hands, I'm talking absolute nonsense now. Okay guys, and now we're just going to loosen up all the screws. What I suggest is loosen each one first, which I've done already, and then turn them out. Once they come out, put them on a very safe space, because what if they fall into this engine or anywhere on the ground, then you're going to have a problem finding the screws, and your whole day might be messed up. Okay, there we go, that's out. And now all you need to do is just to pull this up. It pops out. What you'll see is, that's how it looks. And what you'll notice is this O-ring over here, my O-ring is unfortunately squashed. It should be replaced. I'm not going to replace it in this video, but I'll make another video next time that we will replace that. But that O-ring definitely needs to be replaced. It's squashed completely flat there. It can also give you problems with air sucking into the engine. So this is the air idle control, and I'm just going to clean it now. I'm not going to talk too much about that. It's just a short video. So what you want to do is just take your carb cleaner, get your cloth underneath it, and just spray it. Just give it a light spray. That's all you need to do. And you can see straight away it's coming nice and clean. Just wipe it off. You can get inside here as well. Any dirt that's in there will come out. This one's pretty clean. It doesn't look too bad. I have cleaned it before when it was actually quite black, quite a bit of the soot on it, and that's it. That's how it's going to look. Much cleaner right now. Now we're going to work on step 2, which is actually to clean inside the actual intake manifold. All right, let's take a look and see what it looks like inside. Let's get the camera to work properly. Let's see if we can get inside here. Yeah, it's not the best view I'm giving you, but that's what it looks like. And if you have a look, you can see there's quite a bit of dirt further in, so I'm going to clean that out now. Right, once again, let's put our cloth at the bottom, just to catch any of this carb cleaner that comes out. Remember, carb cleaner is actually flammable, so you don't want to be working on a hot engine. I've just started up this engine now, so it's not actually very hot, but at the same time, I'm going to say that just be very cautious when you're doing this. Just get it in nice and deep there. Spray out all that dirt. Yeah, it's looking better. And we can just take our cloth and just gently inside. Just gently put the cloth inside and try and just get out as much of the dirt inside. You can see, cloth is quite black. There is dirt inside, so we need to clean that out. The spray on its own will help, but I find that you've got to have a little bit of physical cleaning as well. And then we'll just give it another spray. What you can also do is very carefully take your hex key and just very gently and very carefully just try and get inside there. Very gently, don't scratch anything. You just look at that. That's what's coming out. Yeah, it's getting better. You won't get all of it out, guys. You can try your best, but you're not going to get all of that out. Oh, better, much better. There we go. I'll just give it one more blast. Alright, and then we're done. Okay, next we're just going to put everything back together again. Everything's nice and clean now, so we can put it back together. Once again, put your cloth underneath. Just wipe that excess carb cleaner off there. And then what we're going to do is, this is an important step, guys. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you're first of all facing the correct direction, which is the direction of the plug was from which it came, which was that side. So make sure your plug is facing that way. I'm just going to take the cloth away and I'm going to put this in. What's important is to seat it properly. Make sure that your O-ring is in the right place. And just keep it there. And then take one of your screws. Take one of your screws. Put it in. And then actually just tighten it up a little bit. Not even tight. Just get it in. You want to tighten these screws equally. Doesn't matter if it falls out, just do that, get the screw in. The next screw, make sure that you're working above your cloth so that if it falls out of your hand, that you can actually just catch it in the cloth. Now let's get that screw in. Very important to control here, don't lose your screws because that can result in a very bad day for you or loss of a lot of time. Okay, we've got our screws in, we can take our cloth away now. What's important now, guys, is to make sure that you push your unit tight up against the housing. Push the idle air unit tight up against the housing and then put your screws on. And just turn it a little tight and then do the same thing on the other side. Takes a little bit of effort with your hands, with the force in pushing forward. But do it this way, make sure that your unit is tight up against the housing. And then you start tightening up. And once again, don't over tighten this. There we go. That's it. Just hand tight. Small amount of torque on it, that's it. There we go. Yeah, there we go, tight. Yeah, perfect. That's exactly what we want. Now I'm going to put back the plug. Let's connect the power plug back up, and that's it. That should do it. And we're all done. All we're going to do now is start up, and what you'll notice on startup, it's going to take a little bit of time to start, a couple of spins, and then it'll start. As you can see, it took a little bit of time to start, but yeah, that's it. Basically seconds. Will be a little bit rough in the beginning, but as it warms up, everything will be good. Okay guys, that's it. Very simple operation, something that can be very quick to do. Just make sure you follow the steps. You don't want to have issues with dropping screws and over tightening, etc. Make sure that you're prepared, make sure that you're ready to go with your torque set of keys here. Make sure that you've got a good quality carb cleaner with you, and it can take you 10 minutes to do this job. It's really quick. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please have a look at my videos on YouTube. You'll see my channel link is in the description on TikTok, and you can just click on it and go to my channel, and please support me on that. And thanks to all the guys who are supporting me, and thank you for the comments. And if there's any comments, please make them on this platform or on YouTube. I'll answer them as quick as possible. It's not easy for me to answer the questions very quickly, but Yeah, I'll do so as soon as I can.